Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yulia Afifah. In this video, I would like to present to you about my thesis. The title is An Analysis of Teacher Strategies in Teaching English by Using E-Learning in Pandemic COVID-19 Situation at Vocational High School, Taluk, Kuantan. The background of the problem. As we know, since 2019, the world has been rocked by the outbreak of the coronavirus or COVID-19, which has hampered the education process in Indonesia. Nadiem Anwar Makarim, Minister of Education and Culture, released Curricular Letter number 4 of 2020 concerning the introduction of coronavirus emergency education, which one of emphasis online or distance learning. In this case, the students and the teachers do not meet and do not carry out the teaching and learning activities directly. Therefore, e-learning is recommended for the students and the teacher for teaching and learning process. According to Brian Holmes and John Gardner, e-learning offers new opportunities for both educator and the learners to enrich their teaching and learning experience through virtual environments that support not just the delivery but also the exploration and application of information. However, not all students and the teacher in Indonesia are familiar with e-learning, so has become a new thing that needs adaptation. Based on my experience during fieldwork practice at this school, the researcher found several problems that occur when e-learning and when teaching by using e-learning. Because of new implementation of e-learning during pandemic COVID-19, the teacher at this school have difficulties in teaching by using technology, and then the lack of the knowledge or the teacher in application of the using technology, the lack of school facilities not support to e-learning, such as InfoCus, computer, and Wi-Fi. The students also do not understand what the teacher say because the students and the teacher do not meet face to face. Problem of the research. There are some problem that teachers face in teaching English by using e-learning, such as the unequal mastery of science and technology amongst educator or teachers, and then school facilities not support e-learning, and the last is students find difficult to understand the material during online learning. Limitation of the problem. The research was focused and limited the problem on the teacher strategies that used in teaching English by using e-learning. Formulation of the problem. What are the teacher strategies on teaching English by using e-learning during pandemic COVID-19 at Vocational High School number 1 Taluk, Kuantan? The second, how is e-learning used to help the teacher to teach English during COVID pandemic 19? Conceptual framework. The conceptual framework of this study is to analyze the strategies that used by the teacher in teaching English by using e-learning. According to Al-Gahtani, there are some e-learning models that can be used by the teacher, such as adjunct, blended learning, totally online, collaborative learning, individualized learning, synchronous and asynchronous. But the teacher in Vocational High School 1 Taluk, Kuantan only use totally online. So the researcher focus on online learning, individual learning, collaboration learning, synchronous and asynchronous. Method of the research. The research design that the researcher used is descriptive qualitative design, and the time were on February. Location and time of the research. The location of this research is Vocational High School 1 Teluk Kuantan, located in Blibi Street, and the time of this research were on February 2021. The subject and the object of the research. The subject of the research one of English teacher in Vocational High School 1 Teluk Kuantan. The object of the research was analyze the teacher strategies in teaching English by using e-learning in COVID-19 pandemic situation. And the participant of this research is Delva Gusti MPD. The technique of collecting data. In this research, the researcher used interview and documentation. For the interview, the researcher have made questions based on the theoretical concept. For the theoretical concept is full online, the researcher has made 7 questions, and for the second and the third theoretical concept, namely individual learning and collaborative learning, the researcher only make 1 question, and for the last theoretical concept, the researchers made 4 questions. Technique of data analysis. In analyzing the data of interview adopted from Creswell, namely the first is preparing and organizing the data for analysis. The second is explore the code of the data. The third is coding to build description and themes. And the fourth is represent and report the finding. And the fifth is interpreting the findings. And the last is validating the accuracy of the findings. Findings and discussion. The first is the teacher strategies. Before I said that, the Al-Ghahtani said that there are some models of e-learning that can be used in teaching. The first is individual learning. For these models, the respondent use independent teaching strategy. In this strategy, respondent ask the students to make manual text assignment in operating the tools that exist in the student's own environment. The second model is collaboration learning. In these models, the respondent use interactive teaching strategies. In this strategy, the respondent focus on discussion and sharing among the learners. Next is synchronous model. In this model, respondent use teacher-centered learning. The respondent have full control over the online class. Respondent explain the learning material through Google Meet. And the last is asynchronous. In this model, respondent use student-centered learning. Through this learning strategy, the students make the main role or become the center in this learning process. So whatever is concerned learning materials, the students must be independent in finding the source and learning references with guidance from the teacher. And then the use of e-learning in helping teacher to teach English during COVID-19 pandemic situation. Based on the result on the interview, the use of e-learning in helping the teacher in teaching English is quite helpful, because the use of e-learning more flexible, but the use of e-learning also make the student difficult to get the lesson from the teacher. During e-learning, respondents use some tools for teaching such as Google Classroom, Google Meet, and WhatsApp group. Discussion. The first is teacher strategies in teaching English by using e-learning. The first strategy is independent strategy. The second is interactive strategy. The third is teacher-centered learning, and the last is student-centered learning. And the use of e-learning in helping teaching to teach English is e-learning is quite helpful for the teacher in teaching and learning activities during pandemic, because during pandemic the school did not conduct face-to-face learning, so the students and the teachers could only meet virtually. Conclusion. During the pandemic, the teacher used some strategies to teach English. The first strategy is interactive teaching strategy that focus on discussion and sharing among the learners. The second is independent teaching strategy that focus on establish issues or question, acquire and evaluate material, and apply skills and create a product demonstrate. The teacher also use teacher-centered learning and student-centered learning. In this school, the use of e-learning is quite helpful, with the teacher use media such as Google Classroom, Google Meeting, and WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you. I think enough for me. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.